So this is the SuperATV rear bumper for the Can-Am Defender, and just taking a look at the instructions. You get these. This is the hardware kit that comes with it. I'm absolutely not going to use those rivet nuts. Here's the brackets. It's going to go in the frame. That's the driver's side, passenger side. And then, as per the instructions, this bracket is going to get bolted on to the frame. And so my goal, first of all, I took off the tailgate. So the goal is to bolt them through straight through the frame. And so I need to drill another hole here, which will go through the frame. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can turn on a light. Not available. So the goal is to bolt it to the frame, and we'll see how that works out. So what I've done is placed the template on top and marked where I'm going to drill the hole. And I've done it from the top just because it's so much easier to drill into the frame and through the frame from top side here. So that should work out. And then I'll bolt it from the bottom. Okay, look over here. Can you see there? So we got the three grade 8 bolts. I cut the hole here so we can get the bolt to come all the way down. So let's go underneath. And can you show over here? So they're through the frame, and then go to this side and show that one. So now take back up a bit and let's show. This is the left side. This is the driver's side. And then now we can just bolt the bumper on here once we do the other side. Okay. So we have both brackets installed now. Tightened down. And now we're just going to bolt on the bumper. Alright, so this is the completion of the installation. All we did is put 4 of those bolts through to the bracket, and that's all she wrote. So now I'm gonna lift the box and see. It should hit the tires. That's what they say, but I'll just try it here quickly. So here it is. It still goes almost its typical opening. It's just hitting the tires a bit. So it's all expected with bumpers. But yeah, that's how they are.